Are you dreaming of living small without sacrificing comfort or style? Welcome to the Cascade Max, a breathtaking 38-foot luxury tiny house on wheels, designed by Tru Form Tiny. In this video, we'll take you on a photo journey through this stunning home, from its modern kitchen to its cozy lofts and spa-inspired bathroom. If you're into tiny living minimalist design, or just curious about how much you can fit into 300 square feet, you're in for a treat. Stick around to explore every corner of this beautifully crafted tiny home. Let's dive in.